Too much history, have you make it so hard to leave ya? What you do? Big old man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever, and welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell by the title, today you guys will be watching me install this wig on my head. If you want any details about this wig, I will link the video down below of the wig unboxing where I give an in-depth detailed review of the wig and the wig company. I'm gonna have the name of the wig company like right here or somewhere like that. So if you're interested in the wig, you know, go click the link in my bio and check it out. And yeah, so until next time, just enjoy the video and watch me as I install this wig. The only thing I have to do right now is fix the part. This is like the next day from the day that you guys are seeing it, but I just have to fix the part and stuff. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip in the past, because this is the future. But all right, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. It'll be linked down below, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. All right. Ooh. Hey guys, so this is the little setup for me doing my hair. Why does my nose look so big? Oh my god. Anyway, I'm wearing my little robe for me. You know, this is my little setup. Excuse the big bag in the back. We not the wig, so I'm going at my foundation. I'm not doing the ball cap method because yeah, edges, we need those. Alright y'all, so here's the wig. Here's Miss Ma'am. You better praise him. Give him the glory. Shabak. We're ready to get started. Okay, the wig has to lay like right there on my forehead. So yeah, y'all, I bleached the knots and I did all of that off camera. So yeah, just trying to make sure that the wig cap is hidden. Okay, and I'm trying to make sure I place the wig right. Like, I don't want my forehead to look huge. Like, that's the last thing I want to happen. But I think we're good right here. So I'm gonna get my scissors and I'm gonna cut the ear tabs. You know what I just realized? I didn't clean nowhere else with alcohol. Alright girlies, so the wig is on, and can we just all together say what lace? Ready? 1, 2, 3. What lace? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Got to Be Freeze spray, and I'm just gonna spray it along where the thing is, and then I'm gonna put on my headband. I don't know for how long. I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna find a story time video to watch, maybe like 30 minutes or something like that, so it can really secure. And then after that, I'm gonna come back. You know, I'm gonna come back, and then we're gonna cut off the lace, and then we're gonna do any finishing touches that I might need to do. Because I don't know if the free spray is gonna like loosen up what I just stuck down. I don't know what it's gonna do. So I'm gonna try to hurry up before it has a chance to do anything. Oh my god, I literally feel it lifting up. Oh my god. No, no, no. Okay. Oh my god. No. 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 Okay, I hope I caught it in time. Alright y'all, so I'm about to go get some water. I have some chicken wings, so I might eat my chicken wings and watch a story time. And then when I'm about to take off the elastic band, I'm trying to leave it for like at least 30 minutes so I can have my lace really secured. This part is not straight. Y'all wasn't gonna tell me. Ooh, that felt so good. Purr, like what lace? I love doing baby hairs. I don't know about you, but I be touching my hawk. I be like to see if it's. Time to take off the headband so I can do my edges and then go to sleep. Oh my god. Okay. Her.